Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to make a dashboard in Microsoft Excel. So for making a dashboard in Excel requires some familiarity with data manipulation, chart creation and Excel functions. It may take some time and practice to master these skills, but with time you can basically make effective and visually appealing dashboard in Excel. So here are some like things that you should keep in mind when you are going to try and to make a dashboard in Excel. Okay, so first of all, basically you have to define the purpose of your dashboard, that what information do you want to display and what insights do you want to gain. And then you have to plan your layout, like sketch out a design for your dashboard on a piece of paper or use a digital design tool. And then basically the next step is gather your information, collect the information you need for your dashboard. Okay, and then you have to organize your information, you have to structure your information in a way that it makes like easy to analyze and visualize as well. And basically you can make charts and graphs to basically select the appropriate chart types to represent your information effectively. Okay, in Excel you can choose from a wide range of charts. Okay, and then basically you have to customize your charts. Okay, format your charts to enhance their appearance and clarity. And then basically you have to add interactivity. Okay, to make your dashboard interactive you can use Excel's features like data validation, slicers and form controls as well. Okay, so these are some of the few tips that you have to that you should keep in mind before making a dashboard in Microsoft Excel. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.